Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to fix your Facebook Messenger when you encounter this kind of problem. So guys, when your Facebook Messenger is not working, you can follow these tutorials. Alright, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you are connected to your internet provider or to your Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so let's open my Facebook Messenger so that I can show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, when I open my Messenger, it will keep reading, then this message will show up. Please check your internet connection and try again. So the first step to fix this is to go to settings. You're gonna search for apps. Once you are in settings, once you are there, let's go and search for Messenger app. Once we tap the Messenger icon, inside the Messenger app, you'll notice several options. On your device, you have to go to storage, such as clear data and clear cache. Alright, inside the storage you will notice several options. I suggest to clear cache and clear data as well.
Then go back and force stop the Messenger application.
Guys, please note that before launching the Messenger application, you must reboot your device first. Once you relaunch your app, you should be able to use your Messenger again. Now that one should fix it for most of you guys. If the first solution doesn't work, you can try the second solution. The second solution is to install the Messenger application to your phone, then reinstall it again to your phone. Then after the installation, redo the steps from first solution. Then don't forget to reboot your device before relaunching the Messenger application. Then if the second solution still doesn't work, you can try this third solution. The third solution is to try to open your Facebook account on your laptop or on desktop. Then I suggest to delete all unnecessary and old messages that you have in your Messenger. That's it guys, try this three solution to fix your Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching.